In this video tutorial, we're going to have a look at creating an organizational chart in Microsoft Word. At the end, we'll show you how to improve your chart into the stratosphere. Watch until the end. Organizational charts are essential tools for visually representing the hierarchy and structure of a company or an organization. They help employees understand their roles, reporting relationships, and the overall layout of the organization. First, place the cursor where you want to add the organizational chart. Navigate to the Insert tab in the ribbon. In the Illustrations group, select the Smart Art button. Choose the Hierarchy category on the left panel of the dialog box. In this video, we will choose the first option, Organizational Chart. Click OK. In the first shape, we will type the owner or CEO of our company. In our case, the CEO is Tony Stark. The second shape in the sequence is for the assistant to the CEO. If your CEO does not have an assistant, simply click on the shape and press Delete. Tony does have an assistant, so we will revert the changes and add the name Pepper Potts. Now, our company has two managers, so we'll enter Manager 1 as Bruce Banner, and Manager 2 is Peter Parker. Third shape that was left over, we'll name him Sales Officer Steve Rogers, and we'll move him under Manager Peter. Just click on the shape, and in the Smart Art Design tab, group Create Graphic, and click on Demote. Let's say, what if we wanted to move Sales Officer Steve Rogers to be under Manager 1, Bruce Banner? So let's undo the changes. Click on Steve Rogers' shape again, and we need to first click on Move Up in group Create Graphic to move the shape closer to that Manager 1, and then click on Demote. Perfect. However, Bruce has two subordinates. To add one more shape, we need to click on the Steve Rogers shape and click on Add Shape in the Smart Art tab. We'll click on it and type in Sales Officer Matt Murdock. Now let's add subordinates to Manager 2. Again, we'll click on Shape Manager 2, and in the Smart Art Design tab, click on Add Shape and Demote to move it under Manager Peter, and we'll hit Add Shape again. Now, just click on each shape and name it. In this case, it's going to be the two supervisors, Supervisor Wade Wilson and Supervisor Frank Castle. If you want to change the color of the hierarchy chart, just click on Chart, and in Smart Art Design tab, click on Change Colors. You can choose from predefined colors. And now, the promised tip to improve your organizational chart. To make the chart more visually appealing, just click on it, and then navigate to the Smart Art Design tab. And in the Layouts group, click on the second option, Picture Organizational Chart. You may notice that Word has added small squares in the shapes for the photos. Just click on the square and add a photo from your computer or the internet. So we're going to add pictures to our names, and here it is. You can see that the chart looks much better now. If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.